Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to manage your Shopify inventory effectively so you don't run out of stock and can keep your store running smoothly without missing sales opportunities. First, go to your Shopify admin and click on Products. From there, select any product to open its details. Scroll down to the Inventory section. Here, you can track the quantity available and enable inventory tracking. Make sure to check Track Quantity so Shopify knows how many items are in stock. You can also enable Continue Selling when out of stock if you take pre-orders, but leave it unchecked if you want to stop sales once stock hits zero. Shopify also offers low stock alerts through apps or by using automation tools, like Shopify Flow, available on higher plans. These alerts notify you when inventory for specific products drops below a certain number. This gives you enough time to restock and avoid selling out. To find apps for this, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Inventory Alerts or Stock Notifications. To make the process more efficient, consider using third-party inventory management apps that integrate with Shopify. Apps like Stocky, used with Shopify POS, or others like Zoho Inventory and Skubana help automate stock level syncing, purchase orders, and supplier management. These tools are especially useful if you manage a large product catalog or operate across multiple channels. If you sell products that come in multiple variants, make sure each variant has its own inventory tracked individually. This prevents overselling specific sizes or colors. Also, review your inventory reports under the Analytics tab. These give insights into top-selling products, slow-moving inventory, and seasonal trends, helping you decide what and when to reorder. Lastly, always align your inventory strategy with marketing and sales. If you're planning a sale or running ads, increase your stock ahead of time. And for drop shipping, regularly sync with your supplier's stock updates to ensure accurate availability on your store. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.